What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about my 5 reasons why you should learn Forex trading. Let's go!
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. My top 5 reasons why you should learn Forex trading. Okay, now, Forex trading is basically this, all right? Let's break down what Forex trading is before we even get into why you should learn Forex trading. Okay, Forex trading is basically you are trading currencies, okay? Basically, you're trading currency pairs, okay, like the USD, GPY, things like that, okay? These different currency pairs, and you're trading against them going up and down, okay? So it's a very quick form of trading. It's not very long term, meaning like you don't put your money in for a long period of time. It's kind of jump in, jump out type of trading, okay? And things move fairly quick with Forex trading. That's why you jump in and jump out. You don't really put your money in and kind of let the market do its thing. It's not like the stock market or anything like that, all right? So with that being said, that's pretty much a quick breakdown of what Forex trading is. To learn more beyond this video what Forex trading is, you can click the link below, go to the wealthbuildersystem.com, and we will teach you in our free training what Forex trading is and how to get involved in Forex trading. Okay, so with that being said, let's get to the topic on hand. All right, so number 1, it's a new money skill. All right, so there's a difference when it comes to a skill, right? There are certain skills you learn that don't have anything with making money. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes you learn how to change a tire. That's a new skill. You learn how to iron your clothes correctly. That's a new skill. You learn how to boil an egg or cook a dish or something like that. That's a new skill you've learned, but a lot of times that's not a money skill. Okay? Now, some skills, right, can make you or potentially make you a bunch of money, right? Like learning how to trade stocks can make you some money potentially, right? Learning how to do some type of software or learning how to, build something and sell it, that can make you money. Same with this, okay? Same with Forex trading. Forex trading is definitely one of those skills that can teach you how to make money. It's a money skill, all right? And don't let nobody fool you in thinking it's a quick money skill, but it's more of a over time, you learn it and you can be successful and make money with your Forex trading, but you got to learn the skill first, right? So that's why it's a new money skill. Number 2, it's the new age way of saving money. Instead of taking your money and putting it into a traditional savings account or even a CD, certificate of deposit or something to that effect, Forex trading can grow your income exponentially, way better than a savings account can or even a CD can, okay? Savings are for the emergencies of life, you know what I'm saying, in my opinion, basically. So once you reach 3 months of emergency fund, then it's time to use that money that you could be saving after that to make money, okay? And that's why Forex trading is a good option. I mean, buying stocks is an option too, like if you buy dividend stocks and things like that, but Forex trading is definitely a better option than most of those because it happens faster. Okay, like I said before, and the first reason why you should be learning Forex trading, you can do this fairly fast once you learn the ins and outs of Forex trading. That's the only lag. You learning how to do it. Once you learn how to to be a successful Forex trader, you can make money almost on demand. Okay, it just depends on you. Number 3, it's a second income stream. This is a definitely good reason to learn Forex trading. Okay, in today's world, no matter what you are doing, you should have a second stream of income. Forex trading is one of the best ways to build a second stream of income because it can easily turn into a full-time income if you learn it right and do it the correct way. Okay? Number 4, achievable financial freedom. Okay, a lot of people say they can achieve financial freedom with certain business opportunities, but Forex trading will definitely provide the financial freedom you are looking for if done correctly. Okay, so I advise you go ahead and learn Forex trading. All right, but let's get to the number 5. Number 5, flexible earning. All right, you don't need to be stuck at a set schedule or go to a office or go somewhere that, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to go to, wake up early in the morning and go there because you got to do your Forex trading. No, you can do this from the comfort of your home, right? Because the Forex market is 24 hours a day. It's always running 5 days a week, okay? And you can literally trade any time of the day and anywhere there is a internet connection. Okay, so as you can see, Forex trading is a great way to change your income and become financially free. Okay, now, like I stated all through this video, you have to take the time to learn it though. Okay, it's not something that's going to happen overnight. Right? It's not something that you're going to just jump into and become super successful all of a sudden. Okay, it does happen for the few, but not for the many. Okay, and let me talk to the many, the many people that are thinking about Forex trading. Okay, you need to learn it first. Okay, you need to have a platform where you can learn it and be successful and practice and all that good stuff. Okay, and I got the platform for you. Okay, but I want you to go ahead and check it out. Click the link below, the Wealth Builder System, and teach you the platform I have that's going to teach you how to do Forex trading is also going to help you make some moolah in the interim. Okay, so while you're learning, you can start earning. You know, because you don't want to be learning Forex trading and not earning any money. Okay, that's kind of, you know what I'm saying, that's kind of backwards, right? So with that being said, I want you to check out the Wealth Builder System. Click that link below, check out the information, and learn how you can also make money while you learn how to do Forex trading and earn money at the same time, okay? With that being said, thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon, signing off for my 5 reasons why you should learn Forex trading. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.